Today I want to share with you 6 amazing potential benefits I've personally noticed or learned about ginger and lemon water in my daily routine. And I also need to tell you an important warning I never ignore when I drink it. 1. May support digestion. In my experience, ginger and lemon water is something I often turn to when I want to feel lighter after meals. I've noticed that ginger may help me feel less bloated on certain days. Lemon also makes the drink feel refreshing and easier on my stomach in the morning. It has become part of my routine when I want a reset feeling for digestion. Still, I always remind myself that effects are not the same every day. 2. May help support hydration. One reason I personally like this drink is that it makes water more enjoyable. When I add ginger and lemon, I find myself drinking more throughout the day. That alone helps me stay more consistent with hydration. It feels like a simple habit that supports my daily routine. But I still make sure plain water remains my main source of hydration. 3. May contribute to a feeling of energy. There are mornings when I feel a bit sluggish, and this is my go-to drink. Ginger gives a mild kick that I personally associate with alertness. The lemon flavor also feels refreshing and helps me start my day. It doesn't replace sleep, but it does help me feel more awake. For me, it's more of a natural morning boost habit. 4. May support immune function. I often include this drink during seasonal changes when I want extra support. Lemon gives me a good source of vitamin C, which I value in my routine. Ginger is something I've seen used for general wellness for a long time. Together, I feel like they support my overall health habits. But I never treat it as a replacement for proper medical care. 5. May help with weight management routines. Personally, I sometimes use this drink when I'm trying to stay disciplined with my diet. It helps me replace sugary drinks with something lighter. That alone makes a difference in my daily routine. I also feel it fits well into a more balanced lifestyle. But I know real results always come from consistent habits overall. 6. May support general detox feelings. For me, this drink is part of a reset feeling I sometimes look for. It makes me feel lighter and more refreshed internally. I like starting my day with something that feels clean and simple. Many people, including myself, associate it with wellness routines. Still, I remind myself that the body naturally handles detox on its own. Warning: important warning. From my own perspective, I always make sure not to overdo it with ginger or lemon. If I notice any discomfort, I adjust or take a break. And I personally believe it's important to listen to your body first. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new